memory one commemorative volume, this book written in Bengali, we have a plan to translate it in English. If possible, we got enthusiasm from this belt in the writers can translate into other language. That in his many reminiscences, it is taken from his time, monastic member, teachers and students. So this book we have published. It was our second task. Third was Maharaj from 1990s onward to till starting the giving initiation to others as Guru. Up to 2012, almost 22 years, he was associated with Bhakt Prachar Parishad. So all over India, he was connected with number of ashram in different social service. We have started outreach program in a remotest part of mostly in the West Bengal. So we have started, and we thought that time that we will organize this program, memorial lecture, not only in BELUR Math, but while in the center Maharaj Ji was associated in his monastic life, especially he joined in